Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to fix the slow charging on Redmi 17. Start by cleaning your USB-C port using a soft brush. Do not use any metallic tools. And try to carefully unclog your USB-C port from any debris, hair particles, or any kinds of dust that could have got stuck in here. Also, make sure that you are using the original Xiaomi 45-watt charger. Make sure that your software is updated. To update your software, open Settings on your device. Go to About Phone, tap on Xiaomi Hyper OS, and check whether you have any available updates. Lastly, go to Battery Settings. Go to Charging Options and make sure that your wired charging mode is set to speed up. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.